Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your VU TV is on the same Wi-Fi network and that you have network access. This prevents playback and sign-in errors. Once done, grab the remote and press home, navigate to apps, then open YouTube, or use a dedicated YouTube button if available. Make sure the app shows an update prompt. Update now to access the latest interface and bug fixes. These steps remove early obstacles so you can move directly into signing in and browsing. Now sign in so subscriptions and recommendations sync. Select Profile, then sign in, and either enter credentials on the TV or use the pairing code on YouTube. Com/activate from your phone. Once signed in, use the voice button or on-screen keyboard for search. Voice is faster for long titles. Browse subscriptions and playlists, press subscribe to follow channels, and adjust autoplay and captions in settings. These navigation habits make finding content efficient and personalize your viewing immediately. To finish, play a video and use the remote to change quality, subtitles, or skip sections. Choose 1080p or 4K when available for best picture. If you prefer casting, open YouTube on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select your VU TV so audio and video stream seamlessly. If playback stutters or sign-in fails, restart the TV, verify Wi-Fi speed, and reinstall the YouTube app if necessary. These fixes resolve most issues and restore normal viewing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.